So we are on the way to the MLK Parade, and we got hungry. Right, Carter? Carter? Okay. So anyways, we got hungry, and we ended up at Bagel Mania. Siegel's Bagel Mania, because I was craving an everything bagel and some coffee. I already had 1 cup of coffee, and now I need another cup of coffee and a bagel. So, set my husband inside, waiting for him to come back with our food, because who's getting out of the car right now? Not us. Right, Carter? Thumbs up? Carter is over life right now. He's tired. Speedy delivery. Speedy delivery. Okay, so their coffee's pretty strong. I like that. You have to make it yourself though. Put your own cream and sugar. And of course I put it back in this Dollar Tree cup that I keep complaining about. Hopefully I don't get it on me today. Alright, so this is the everything bagel with cream cheese. That's what I got. I didn't feel for nothing too crazy today. What did you get?
Got a everything bagel, egg and cheese with ham, breakfast sandwich.
Okay. Okay.
The cheese pull, I got ham slices in there. Really good.
Okay, it was kind of hard for me to record while I was eating, but overall I gave it maybe like a 7. I think that's what I give it. Carter, what you give it? What number? Carter not into the videos today. He had most of my bagel. So now we on Fremont. There's the Grand Hotel. We are trying to find 4th Street because that's where the parade is supposed to be. So we'll be back once we park.
MLK Parade. Dr. King died so I could be home today. It's crazy. Start walking. Should have had that tripod thing to hold in my hand.
Yeah.
I walk. Damn, so down here is where all the people are. Me neither. I like the way we were before. I guess he was going to